Welcome to C# for Crestron programming. In this video, we will continue learning about working with JSON files in C# for Crestron through writing data to a file and adding data to our working project. We are continuing from where we left off in the Reading JSON Files video. We have successfully read a JSON formatted file into a root object with a matching class hierarchy and accessed a source list within one of the rooms. The next step is to examine seating information into an empty root object, writing this data to file and seeing how to add data to the object. The original JSON file has been removed from the processor, and we'll use a method to seed data into the root object to match the original example. We would need to start at the top level by instantiating a new list of room objects. Below this, we add new rooms, each with a room name property assigned and a new list of source objects within. At each level of the hierarchy, we made sure to instantiate any collections prior to attempting to add data. Written in this format, we can see the similarity to the structure of the original JSON data. Writing this file to our processor file system will be a mirror of the read JSON method. We will utilize the JSON convert class and the serialize object method to convert the root object back into string data to write to our file. Since appending data to a JSON formatted file is rather cumbersome, we will use the file.create to overwrite the existing file and create the data structure solely based on our root object information. Accessing data again to confirm shows that our seed data method was in the correct format. You will notice that our file contents appear compressed. The JSON convert class methods handle extra white spaces, formatting, and line feeds. Use of object collections for storing our data allows changes to be made to our data relatively easily. The next method we will create will add a room to our working object. For our console method, the first arguments will represent the room name, and the remaining arguments will represent a list of sources to be added. Once we have added our new room and instantiated our source list, we can, at any time later, add additional sources. we can see the successful addition of our new room to our JSON file. Keep in mind that we never actually work on the JSON data file itself when adding or removing components. All work done in our program is on the object made up of the deserialized copy of the data. You have now seen how to work with JSON files within C# for Crestron. We have learned how to read data, write data, build a class structure based on the data, and add items to the structure in your code. Thank you for watching.